You're not here because you already know how to do the work. You install the systems, you passed a few inspections, and you can solve some real problems. But what most fire alarm companies fail isn't that skill. I read a book from Michael Gerber called The E-Myth, and the one thing it taught me was how to take my technical skills and turn it into a CEO or a business, or transform from being a technician within the mind and work on the business rather than work in the business. So that is the reason why skill isn't the problem, it's marketing. So one of the things we're going to work on the business is the actual skill of marketing. And that's why I created the Market Monster. So what is the Market Monster really about, and who is this course really for? This course is not for beginners still trying to figure out what a fire alarm system is. This course is for the service-based entrepreneur, the electrician trying to add fire alarm to his business, or owners who's looking to get consistent leads, predictable revenues, and control over their whole entire pipeline. If you're tired of word of mouth, or chasing that bottom line price, or if you want your business to attract the right clients instead of just making a whole bunch of noise and talking to everyone, then this course is here for you. So what is the Market Monster course? The Market Monster is not a social media course, it is not a funnel course, and this is definitely not nothing based on theory. The Market Monster is a marketing operating system that is designed for service-based business, especially if you're a fire alarm and security company. Instead of guessing what to post, what should I say, or what product I should be selling, you will follow a structured system that will turn attention into leads, leads then into conversions, and conversions right into contracts, bringing money directly into your business. And if you're still wondering or on the fence or thinking, is this gonna work for me? Think about all the steps that it took you to actually get here. That's through marketing, that's through messaging, that's through speaking to the person, which is you, that actually got you here on the other side of the video, learning how to do the same thing so you can attract your audience. What makes the Market Monster course different? Everything inside the Market Monster course is brought from principles from the top marketers we have out there, like Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, and Aaron Fletcher. So what I did was I took their courses, free, paid courses. I bought as many books as I can buy. I bought their systems. I went through their programs, and I consolidated all of this information and brought to you the Market Monster course to help you in a way to build out a system that's step by step, actually in layman's terms, so that way you could understand it the way I understood it, because it took me a long time to actually get there for me to realize, like, oh, I understand it now. Now, this course is built for contractors who want respect, trust, and long-term clients who have no problem paying what your price is. You'll also be introduced to a proprietary AI system that I built called the Offer Architect. This will help you get absolutely clear on a message that you are trying to deliver and actually attract the audience. It's going to do the same thing we do inside of the Market Monster, but you can spend a couple of hours inside of the Offer Architect to answer all of the questions as honestly and as thoroughly as you can to actually build out the marketing campaign that's tailored exactly for you. So what would you build inside of the Market Monster course? So by the end of this whole entire module, you won't just understand what marketing is, you will actually have an executable plan that you could implement as soon as you start from module 1. You can start building out your marketing, so by the end of the last module, your whole entire system is built and ready to go. So some of the things you'll build inside of the Market Monster is a clear, high-value offer, a message that actually resonates so you can find your audience, a positioning strategy that stops price comparing. There will be no competition to whatever your price is for the offer that you have to deliver. And you'll learn how to build content, or rather create content that doesn't beg, it just actually teach, and people want to pay because they feel that you are giving so much value away for free that I just have to give you some money. You'll learn how to build funnels that actually nourish your leads over time, so that way you can make sales while you're asleep, a nurture system that will follow up automatically no matter where you at on social media, a sales process that feels calm and professional, and a complete marketing system that runs even if you're a solopreneur running wires, drilling holes, or whatever it is you're doing out in the field. And this is all about building leverage not running around on a hamster wheel, because as soon as you fall off that, everything fall apart. You want to be able to grow your business and hire the employees to actually take on the tasks that you've taken, and you can delegate more responsibilities so that way you can actually scale your business to the next level. So how is the course structured so you can be able to build out your entire marketing operating system? The Market Monster is broken down into 9 separate modules. Inside each one of the modules, you'll have anywhere between 7 to 9 lessons going in depth on each one of the modules so you can understand what the concepts are before we can actually start getting into the practical tools and using it and actually building out our own entire marketing campaign. So each module includes a clear framework, step-by-step instructions, AI tools, handouts so you can actually start working and building out the information and get your mind moving, and action items that you can start using, like I said, from module 1. Once you complete the first course, you could actually start building this and implementing it right inside your business. Now, I want you to understand that this course is going to reward execution. I don't want you to be a master learner and an action of none. I want you to actually learn this information and then start implementing it right away. That's the only way you're going to get to learn, and you can start improving it over time. So don't never feel like, oh, I need to have everything all 100% complete, because the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint is not 100% complete. But I know the whole entire process here, so I can still take you on the steps. I don't need to have everything ready because I know how to take you all through the steps. So all you have to do is actually know, and once you know what your offer is, you build it out step by step, but just release it right away and then perfect it over time. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use this course properly. I want you to go through each module one at a time. They have to be done in order for you to understand how one relates to the other and how each one piggyback off each other. Each one has its own concept that's going to be breaking down the framework step by step. So let's say the concept is to create an offer. There's 7 to 8 steps for you to understand how to actually create that offer before we can actually start creating the offer. You understand? So don't overthink it, just get straight to it. You compound clarity over time through your marketing, so don't let confusion kill your momentum. Here is the most important thing I want you to understand out of this whole entire program. Marketing is not for you to be loud. It is for you to be clear so you can speak exactly to the person that you actually need to speak to. When the right person understands what you do, how you do it, and how easy you could deliver it to them, selling becomes easy. They ready to open up their wallets, pocketbooks, bank accounts, transfer money straight to you. So that's the reason why we start this course the only way it makes sense, and that is with your offer. Because if your offer is trash, everything else behind that is going to be trash as well. So you want to make sure that you come with a clear, concise offer, a clear message, so you can speak to the right person and actually start making sales inside of your business. In the next lesson, we'll start with module 1, and that's the Beast Builder. There you will learn the concepts of how you can create your offer that feels like I should not be making so much money. I'm the Fire Alarm Expert, and I'll catch you in the next module. Peace.